Idiot. All those things are still there.
Hey, guys, stop it. Chef, I go come in boy. Stop it.
Okay, so let's hook up for old time's sake.
Hook up, babu. Mo kweti dagba. Stop rather. Stop.
Bounce.
Stop. Madam si gbese we jo e ṣàánú mi.
Should I come with you?
Káàbọ̀. Yes, sir.
You can just hooking. The
phone is not hooking. What are you doing with that lady?
Nothing now.
It doesn't look like nothing.
What does it look like?
Looks like you're flirting with her.
Hey, am I your mate? Who is this one?
Hello. You see, these people are my friends. You don't talk to them anyhow, please. They are my friends. Already, not bounce or anyhow.
Your friends?
Yes.
Oh, Lori Ore. These are your friends. Huh? See, this one. They look like flag of Spain. Yellow and red. Yes. See, come. They even look like they need to get laid. Yes? Don't you have husbands?
But, I mean, what is wrong with you? Oh, Oro.
What am I doing in this world?
Okay, so this life is
Ayefele. If you are looking for good time, I'm here. I can do the trio.
After 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Uncle, ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ lò fún wa yẹn ó ti lágbára jù. Kí ló dé tẹ́ máa sọ pé kán lọ gbé wa sùn? Ṣé baby ni wá ni?
On gbé sùn ni, what's the big deal? Okay, I will change the adjective. Ẹ̀dàbí àjẹmẹ́ta. 3. They always have 3 witches.
Ẹ má bínú. Gbogbo life ẹ ojú yẹn lọ. Please go and meet Dapo. He will show you where to sleep. Please go and meet him. Àgbàyà òṣì.
Well, if you are looking for a good time, I'm here, sha.
You know that. Láàrin ìṣẹ́jú méjì kó ti da gbogbo tọwọ́ ẹ̀ lẹ̀.
It's a lie. You don't want other people to chop.
Management. Àgbàyà.
I'm going to meet them outside.
Go and meet them and die.
I'll show them pepper.
Pepper òṣìwò ló fẹ́ show wọn. Báwo ṣe fẹ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ ni àbí ká sáré ṣe kíní?